Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera, and here it does not really matter whether you will be on the photo or the video mode. Simply enter the settings. In my case, in this orientation they are in the left upper corner. However, if you will have your device turned, you will have it in the right upper corner. So let's tap on them. Hello? Okay, we've got it. And then simply scroll down to the very bottom to tap on Restore Defaults. Let's confirm it with OK, and as you can see, any kind of customization has been turned off. So for example, the continuous shot, we had it turned on, right now it is turned off. So basically this is how it works. All of the settings, so for example the countdown, etc., has been restored to the defaults. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.